Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a blushing look for Valentine's Day. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. I'm just following the natural shape of my brow and filling in the sparse areas, keeping it quite natural. Now I'm cleaning up the bottom edge of the brows with the Juvias Place iprep, iprime, eye primer. And I'm setting the hairs in place with the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Gel. Next, I'm applying face makeup before eyes today, as I find it easier when going for a blushing look. First, I'm priming with the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer, and then I'm applying the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator in the shade 10 and pouncing this all over with a damp UVA sponge until blended. Now I'm applying the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 20 NN underneath my eyes and to the bridge of my nose to help with the dark circles and redness. After that's blended, I'm setting the under eye area with the Urban Decay Ultimate Brush Off Powder. Now I'm contouring with the Juvias Place Bronzed Palette in Light. I'm just mixing both of the shades in the palette and applying them to the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, hairline, and around my nose to give some depth and dimension to the face. For highlighter, I'm using the Urban Decay Disco Queen Holographic Highlight Powder. This creates an iridescent, multi-dimensional sheen with sparkling lavender pink undertones paired with cool blue and pink sparkles. Now let's blush it up with some Hipdot blush in the shade Red Moon using the draped blush technique. To achieve the look, you apply blush in a C shape, starting from the temple area and down towards the cheekbones, then up and slightly over the outer edges of your brows and into the hairline. I'm also adding a bit of the blush to the tip of my nose, and then I'm setting everything in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. After that, I'm priming my eyes with the Juvias Place Primer, tapping it on with a sponge to make sure it's nice and blended, and dipping in to the Wahala palette. First, I'm picking up the matte red shade called Fire and applying this to the outer part of the eye using a large, fluffy blending brush. I'm swirling this down onto the lower lash line so that it flows with the shadow from the outer corner, similar to how I've draped my blush. Next, I'm grabbing the matte pink shade called Busybody, and I'm applying this to the center of the eyelid as well as the center of the lower lash line. Now, I'm taking the shades called Woke and Envy and applying these to the inner half of the eyelid and bottom lash line using a dense flat brush. Woke is a matte lavender violet and Envy is a beautiful shimmer pink violet duochrome with light blue pearls. It's seriously stunning in person. To achieve a more violet appearance on the bottom lash line, I'm dusting on a little bit of the shade Unafraid. To enhance the look even more, I'm using my fingers and really concentrating that Envy shade onto the center of my lid, and then I'm draping on some more blush, really focusing on the outer corner of the eye so that everything blends together seamlessly. Moving on to lashes, I'm curling my lashes, applying a light layer of the Lash Stiletto Mascara by Maybelline, and adhering on the Kiss Sister Nature Vegan Mink Lash in the style Ivy using the Lash Couture adhesive. After that, I'm applying the Juvias Place Nubian eyeliner in Kajal to my upper waterline, and the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyeliner in polished white to my bottom waterline. I'm also adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Lipstick in Red Hot. This is a budge-proof liquid lipstick that stays shiny, making it perfect for the holiday. And that completes this blushing look. Let me know if you like to wear a lot of blush in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.